Good morning, it's Lars Bergerson from Bergerson Boat of Lake Geneva. Today I have a 1930 17-foot Chris Craft Runabout. This is pretty amazing. This is 1930, you gotta think about that. How many of these could be left? They made 226 of these, so there can't be very many. All this varnish, it has 12 coats of varnish on it. It has an ivolite that works. You can see here, I love these old keys in these boats. It's simple. I mean, look at that thing. The other thing is if you look at here how you turn the lights on, which is right here, just flip that. There's your nav. Turn the key on. You got your start button right here. Of course, this horn, usually these horn buttons are not working right. This one works. It's kind of loud. All right, let's go see this engine here. So I believe they had these engines, this one would come with a Gray Marine or even a Chrysler. This is the Chris Craft, so it's a Hercules Model B engine. You can see the plaque right here. Now one thing about this 6-volt system, so this is all original. You can see here, looks like generator is rebuilt. And I'll show you the bottom here. So this is an original bottom. That means you got to soak it. And you can see some gaps right there. But the one thing I will tell you is this thing is healthy. The bottom looks great. The fasteners are all good. The ribs are good. You know, people always rave, oh, I got to have a 5200 bottom. Got to have it, got to have it. Well, in the last few years, I have seen some 5200 bottoms that were using the Kumi plywood that have already failed. You get 7 years and you got to put a bottom on. This one's from 1930 and it's still in great shape. Let's go to the back here. The upholstery's all been redone. I'll show you that. See the cushions, it has the original pine boards here. This is all the original wood. Let's see here, back here. I kind of like the name. One thing nice about this boat, being 17 foot, it has a tandem axle trailer. Not tandem, I'm sorry. It has a single axle trailer, which is nice because you could take this boat, being 17 foot, and you could put it in a normal size garage. You can even turn it easy if you need to get the tongue out of the way. I did open the book here just to kind of show the original. So from 1930 to 31. Now you can see right here. Showing here the Gray or the Chrysler 4. Well, it doesn't show this Hercules engine, but it probably was the original engine. They didn't have a lot of documentation back then. You can even see here it just says no reliable data on the bottom color, waterline. Just a gorgeous little boat. This would clean house at any boat show, especially with its age. Beautiful.